First, we prepare 1 silicone mold, 2 pieces of wood logs, enough epoxy and pigment dye. And for our safety, we put on our mask and gloves. 1 day before starting, we sand the surface of the wood and seal it with epoxy or varnish to block airflow. Otherwise, air bubbles may form during the pour and create an undesirable appearance. The next day, we pour approximately 5 millimeters of epoxy onto the base of the silicone mold and wait 3 to 5 hours. Once the base layer has cured, we place the wood logs on top. Then we continue by pouring epoxy in 2 centimeter layers, waiting about 2 hours between each layer. Any bubbles rising to the surface are removed with a torch, and the piece is left to cure completely. After 24 hours, we remove it from the mold. If there are any imperfections on the surface, we sand them first with 800 grit dry sandpaper, followed by 2000, 3000, and 1000 grit wet sandpaper. Finally, we polish it with a finishing compound, and the process is complete. We take 2 wooden slabs with natural hollow centers and clamp them tightly with a vise. A mixture of blue, gold, and galaxy pigment powders is prepared and combined with epoxy resin. The colorful epoxy is carefully poured into the channels between the slabs. Once the resin cures, the table is removed from the clamps and polished. The result is a stunning, galaxy-inspired coffee table with glowing colors and unique wood textures.